Good afternoon, party people. Ready for another low float small cap stock pick? Check out ticker symbol LQR. So LQR is an e-commerce wine, tequila, alcohol site. They also have country wine and spirits, I guess, is their main brand right now. And I guess they're really doing well, and they even have like some retail stores in Southern California. Anyways, what's exciting me is the balance sheet. If you look at the balance sheet, it's gone from 2.88 million last quarter to 5.39 million this quarter in total assets. And total liabilities has actually gone down from only 782.97K to 666.41K. So that's really awesome. So total assets 5.39 million, total liabilities 666.41 thousand. That means total equity of 4.72 million, and there's only a low float, so that's the supply of shares of 3.4 million shares. So that means each stock should be worth $1 and some change. And that's what it's actually trading for right now. So that's a good sign. The stock price is pretty close to being equivalent to the actual equity in the company. But as they get more e-commerce, obviously this is where the market's heading, is to e-commerce, especially for wine and tequila. The low float of only 3.4 million shares, this could do a short squeeze. And if you look at the trend line on the 1 year, it's down over 99% from where it was. Well, the IPO was actually back in August. So it's a fairly new stock. So it was like around $234 a share if you factor in the reverse stock split that just happened last week. So there's some real potential to kind of buy at the bottom here. But what I'm doing is I bought 4 shares, and I'm going to day trade those 4 shares into eventually 5 shares here pretty quickly. And then not long for that, I'll probably accumulate 10 shares. And then it's just going to snowball from there. So it's such a low risk to do that. If you start off with just a small amount of shares and you just day trade them and then just gradually accumulate shares. So this is going to be my day trade stock accumulation stock. Share accumulation stock, I should say. Anyways, yeah, so NASDAQ doesn't have a fee for day trading, which is awesome. The over-the-counter markets do, but NASDAQ doesn't. So there's no fee to do this. So you just buy low, sell high, and just keep doing that on a daily basis. And eventually I'll get to the point where I'll start accumulating, 1 to 2 shares every day, and then it'll snowball pretty rapidly from there. So I'm not obviously worried about the price, collapsing or, I mean, it could skyrocket too. We don't know. I mean, it'll probably kind of go down. I mean, it has been trending downward, but it's kind of hard to say with this one because Country Wine and Spirits is really doing well. They have like some unique tequila, SWOL tequila apparently, and then wine. Solil wine vino, however you say it. Um, Soleil, Solel vino, and that has yet to be um, introduced yet, but from their website it's coming. Yeah, it's a small group. I think only 4 employees, but again, a new company that's gonna be taking advantage of e-commerce, good business model. And then the other thing is DBGI, a short squeeze, is brewing again. So it's kind of been trending upwards, which is a nice change for once. And it's kind of about to skyrocket, especially after, like I said before, Armor Stocks Capital got involved. So again, good one to check out kind of before more hedge funds pile on and buy it up, because it's going to be EBITDA neutral or even positive in the first quarter of next year as wholesale bookings increase, supposedly triple in the first quarter. And that won't get reflected until like the first quarter results get released in like May of next year. But still, uh, it's kind of a weird stock right now. It could trend downward or upward or suddenly spike or suddenly collapse. But again, lots and lots of opportunity here. All right. Thank you. Have a nice day, people.